This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes homemade, full guide. Preheat your oven to 350 F and line a 12-cup muffin tin with liners. Combine dry ingredients in one bowl and cream butter with sugar in another until light. Add eggs one at a time, then alternate folding in dry ingredients and milk for a tender crumb. Scoop batter evenly and fill liners 2/3 full for best results. For flavor, add vanilla extract or citrus zest to the batter for subtle notes, or fold in cocoa for chocolate cupcakes. To make filled cupcakes, core the center after cooling and pipe in jam or chocolate ganache. Consider textures like chopped nuts or sprinkles on top. If you prefer less sweet, reduce sugar by about 10% and taste the batter, remembering that frosting adds extra sweetness to the finished cupcake. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, hands-free timers, and recipe prompts to your kitchen, which makes timing frostings and baking so much easier. I find it handy for setting multiple timers while juggling batter and cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Make smooth frosting by creaming chilled butter until fluffy, then add sifted powdered sugar and a splash of milk or cream to reach spreading consistency. For lighter frosting, beat longer at medium speed to incorporate air. Tint with gel food coloring sparingly to avoid thinning the frosting. Pipe decorations with star or round tips, and add fresh fruit or sprinkles as a finishing touch for a bakery-style presentation everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.